Okay, Shadow. You remember this one? Yeah, and here comes Blue. Yeah. You guys remember this one? Okay, ready? Yeah, you remember that one? Okay, Blue, it's your turn. Okay, just relax, don't jump. Look, Blue, get it. You don't know what to think of that, huh, Shadow? Yeah, okay, you ready? You ready? Okay, look at his face. He's like, what? You want to do it, Shadow? Let me put it a little closer. Okay. Blue, come here. Your turn. Come on, Blue. Okay, you ready? You ready? You ready? She's like, who cares? I've seen that. She's like, who cares? He likes it. I think he's a little scared of it. Get it. Get it, Blue. Get it. Oh, oh, it's gonna get you. Yeah, come on. Come on. Like, who cares? Ah, you're no fun. Okay. We're gonna see Shadow's reaction again. Yeah, what, you don't like that? You wanna get it? Put your foot right there. Tap it. Tap, tap, tap. Yeah. Tap it. Come here. Come here. You don't want to touch it? You don't want to touch it? He's scary. Okay, your turn, Blue. She's like, ugh. Get it, Blue. Get it. Get it, Blue. Come on. Have some kind of reaction. Jeez. Yeah. Okay, well, I guess that's it. But thank you, Evie, for my cat bank and Party Town. Yay!